I don't know what I did this time, but I actually got French breakfast radishes. Usually they're either all leaves and then go to seed. Ooh, nice root system on that puppy. Go to seed on me. Yay, I finally did something right. Well, one thing I did is I found the only spot with sun and stuck them in there. Because they say if you want roots or fruits, you need lots of sun. They ain't kidding. I think that's a decent harvest. I just got to get rid of my dirt. My lovely, lovely dirt. Look at those tiny little root systems. Boy, were they happy. And it looks like the black Spanish is ready to be harvested. It's getting ready to go to seed. And I do have seed, so I'll harvest it. And man, it's got a root system. Not a very big one. I've had them almost the size of grapefruit. Nope, that's not very big. Tennis ball, a little under a tennis ball. It's still edible though. Of course, they belong on the ground. Let's see, where is my one carrot? Where is that little carrot? Oh, there you are. And that's what you are, is a little carrot. I didn't plant this size. I didn't plant this kind. And the other carrot. Oh, there's the pepper. Nope. Another. Another pimento pepper. Oh, we have a nice dandelion. Oh, there's another carrot. Apparently they don't want to be very big. You're not going to make much of a carrot salad, you know that. I don't think that one counts. I wonder if the chickens that eat it. Oh, the root harvest for 2020. I think I'd do better than that. I did eat a few things in between time. And then the chickens are going to love the greens. Boy, oh boy, they're going to love the greens. Sorry, Laura, the radishes go to the chickens. I did put out seeds for the cylindrical beets, and I had a few turnip seeds left, so I threw those out. I don't have luck growing in the spring and the summer. I grow better in the fall and the winter. But I'm very pleased with this.